So here we have the Audi e-tron 55 S Line. So it's the bigger battery, the more powerful vehicle. It's finished in the mythos black with contrasting black Volcano leather. The tyres on the vehicle, brand new 21-inch Continental AO SUV premium contact. As you can see by the condition of the vehicle in the images and on this video, it is in superb condition throughout. There's your nice glass pan roof, your virtual wing mirrors. It also benefits from the sound and comfort pack, the HD matrix headlights, which are Audi's top of the range headlight, 360 cameras, the Tour package, which is your adaptive cruise with a steering assist, your blind spot monitoring, virtual wing mirrors, Bang & Olufsen, memory seat, heated steering wheel. The list is just endless. It really is. It's a tilt and slide glass roof, full virtual cockpit. Rear buckles with the twin USBs and the rear side airbag option are also available. As I say, the options list for this vehicle is just phenomenal. So we've got the cables and the charger, subwoofer is in there, all these boards remove. There we have it, a range topping Audi e-tron 55 featuring the Tour pack, city assistance pack, sound and comfort pack, panoramic roof, rear side airbags, illuminated seat belt buckles, HD headlights, you name it, it is in this vehicle. Thank you for watching.